Today we had the pleasure of seeing and hearing Jeremy Anderson speak at our school district rally, which is to all of our district employees, which is about 6,000 people. He delivered a message, a powerful message that definitely needed to be heard about keeping our focus on students, making sure to have faith in them, and of course, taking care of ourselves.
Long time growth from Westbury, and the speaker we had today, this is my 21st year. He reached everybody here. I cannot say anything that he moved us. We're speechless. Normally we go to sleep, he moved us today.
My name is Cynthia Hewson. I am a social studies teacher in Westbury High School. This is my 16th year, and by far the best motivational speaker I've had in years.
It's my 24th year. I just wanted to say that by far, in the 24 years I've been here, this gentleman's presentation was the best, most motivational, most inspiring I've ever heard in the 24 years I've been here.
Something that he said, or maybe it was everything that he said, that changed something in me.
Hearing his story, I couldn't stop crying and listening to it because he was one of my students.
The speech was not only great, but was very uplifting, and it really made us feel that we serve a purpose as teachers.
He has done an incredible job. My kids, my staff have left here, and they want him to come back. This is how good he is.
And I got to tell you, it was awesome. I've visited schools all over the country with work that I did in my previous job. I've seen guest speakers come in, and I've never seen anyone as gripping and as passionate as he was today.
It was really amazing.
His speech has rejuvenated me and has given me the desire to stay in the classroom and work with these children that are hurting.
I was, in fact and indeed, reinvigorated, because as I was sitting there, I thought there are 2 students in my class that needed me to hear this gentleman tonight.
I implore you to come and find a Jeremy Anderson conference. You will leave blessed, you will leave inspired, and you will leave fired up to go back to your classroom and to do the work that you've been called to do.